Hey everybody, welcome back to Hey Papa J. I'm Papa J, so glad you're here. This is Charlie, and we are going to do one of our absolute favorite recipes of all time. We got it from the Disney Cruise Line when we were in Alaska, and we are gonna make the
hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate. Stick with us, we're gonna show you how. What is this? Tell us.
Well, it's more like drinking chocolate, but we're quite sure it's Disney chocolate pudding.
Just hot chocolate
Warmed
pudding.
up nice.
Okay, so this recipe came straight from a chef on board of the Disney Wonder. So while we were on, this is a tip, if you're ever on a cruise and you see a chef, sometimes they do little cooking demonstrations, things like that. We went right up to him and said, what is the secret to this hot chocolate? And he pulled out a little notepad and he wrote down the exact recipe. So this is the best hot chocolate you will ever try in your life.
It was so fun. They served it when we got back on board from being off the ship on our port days, and then also on Glacier Day when everybody was up top on the top deck. He was actually up there. That's when I caught him. They were actually up there serving hot cocoa to everyone for a good part of the day. So, and it was awesome. Had to go back several times. So let's get started. Have you ever even made hot chocolate before?
I've never, no.
Okay.
Well, I've done the packets, you know,
Okay.
you just take a little packet and add either milk or water. That's the extent of me, but I've never.
Today's the day. You're starting from
okay.
scratch.
All right. And I, as you could probably guess, I am not a chef. I just, when I walk into the kitchen, she will not eat anything I make.
Okay, all right. So we've got all of our ingredients out, all right? So we've got the cocoa, we've got cornstarch, and some milk set aside for that because we're first going to mix that up into a nice paste. You don't ever dump the cornstarch into hot liquids or anything because then it will clump and it won't incorporate into the recipe. So we want to get that in a nice liquidy paste first. Then one of their secret ingredients, cinnamon, and then we've got the sugar measured out and the milk.
All right.
So,
it's only 5 ingredients.
exactly. So
Yeah.
first things first, put your cold milk into the cornstarch.
Okay, are we doing it in this bowl or am I putting it in the pot?
Okay, no, put
Okay.
that in there first.
So we're taking the milk. Guess you could substitute that with chocolate milk.
No, we won't.
okay.
Not the same.
All right, so-
okay. All right, so
Now
go
we're
ahead
gonna
and
whisk
just
it,
stir
or
that
are we gonna
up.
stir it?
No,
Okay,
just
so-
stir it up
All right, so we're just gonna stir this up.
so that we don't have any clumps.
All right,
Wants
so
to be
we're
in a
trying to see
nice
what we're
little.
doing here. It's dissolving nicely. Okay, is there any trick to getting it to do it faster? Or
Nope,
you
that's
just keep
perfect. Done. It's good. Done.
Okay, that's it.
It doesn't take
Okay.
much. So then,
Now-
well, first things first, we need the sugar to dissolve. So dump the sugar in,
All right, we're taking the sugar. Okay,
and then also dump part of the milk in.
okay, just part of it, like half?
Yeah, like half.
Okay.
This doesn't have to be scientific. Okay, perfect.
all
Great.
right.
All right, so
Okay.
let's put that on the stove and get it nice and just, barely warm. Just
All right.
warming it up. Okay.
All right, so
So barely down to like medium low.
Medium
Not
low.
even medium,
Okay,
okay?
all right.
Because we don't want to get it too hot because then the same thing, the cocoa won't dissolve.
okay,
in
so
there.
right now
Yes.
we're working on the sugar. Now we're gonna move to the cocoa.
Yes. So go ahead and you can put the cocoa and the cornstarch in.
Okay, so
The
we're gonna bring this stuff over here. So we got the cocoa powder going in next, right?
And so go ahead and grab the whisk.
Okay, so should
While
we
you're
be
dumping
whisking
it
it
in,
while we're
yeah.
dumping it in?
Yep.
Okay.
Because you're going to be dissolving the sugar and then whisking the cocoa in.
Okay.
You want that to dissolve too and not be clumpy.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Beautiful.
And now the cornstarch, we can just go right in with it.
Go ahead.
Okay. Our little cornstarch and milk mixture.
Nice and milky slur.
Yep. Okay. Ooh, it's starting to look like a nice chocolatey chocolate.
Okay, now go ahead and pour the rest of the milk in.
What's the
while
milk? Okay.
Beautiful. I mean, it's this easy,
That
guys.
is super easy. Even
Yes.
I can do it.
Yeah, and exactly get those those bits up
Gotta
on
get
the
the
side of the
sides.
cocoa so everything gets incorporated and dissolved.
Yeah, I do know that much about it. We don't want to let anything go to waste here. Now, is there a secret to whisking fast versus slow? In a figure 8 pattern,
Not that I know of.
circles.
All right, so we're gonna let that get nice and warmed up. We're going to, give it a stir.
So am I going to constantly whisk, or are we going to let it
No,
get
because we have it
warmer?
on really low.
Okay, so we're good to
So,
stop. Okay.
Yeah, so you
all right.
can just let it sit for a minute. We're
Okay.
gonna let it get, warmed up. Of course, we don't want to bring it to a boil, so
Okay.
you have to keep your eye on it and you have to
So-
stir it.
When do we add the cinnamon? The secret ingredient?
Yeah, let's get it warmed up and all incorporated, and then we'll
okay.
add the cinnamon.
So cinnamon's the last step.
Yes.
It is very much all incorporated now. It's not boiling or anything, but it is just definitely nice and smooth. Check that out. Nice and smooth.
Yeah, look at
Okay?
that beautiful color.
Yeah, look at that.
All right.
Looking nice. Okay?
Go ahead and put the cinnamon in, and we're gonna get that
Okay,
incorporated
so now
too.
once everything looks nice and silky, then we add the cinnamon.
Yep.
Okay.
Your
The secret
cocoa has
ingredient.
dissolved. Your cornstarch has
Oh,
dissolved.
that smells good.
We'll let it keep heating and incorporating. Again, not bringing it to a boil, but just so it's nice and warm and everything incorporates.
All right, so it's only been just a few minutes and you can see how thick and smooth. Look at this. Look how thick it's getting. But look at the coloring and the smoothness.
Look how
Look at
beautiful
that.
that is.
That looks amazing. That's so pretty. I mean, look how pretty it is.
Okay, that is a beauty.
All right, look at that. That just looks awesome. It is like silk. Thick silk. And I wish there was smell-o-vision. That smells so dang good. Oh my gosh, that smells so good.
Okay, look how beautifully that came together.
Yep. Okay, so now what do we do? Do we wait for it to go to a boil, or are we just, because it's hot
we don't wanna
chocolate without
it.
boil?
Exactly, we don't want to boil it and curdle
Okay.
the milk. So
Okay.
it's ready. Look how
It's ready?
beautiful and silky
All right, so
smooth
should I
that
turn
is.
off the
So
heat?
turn off the heat.
Okay. Off heat. So if you come to a boil, that's bad. No bad. No boil. No boil. Okay. Check this out, you guys. Oh my gosh, look at that. Okay, so just doing a little ladle right into the cup. Okay, that is extra special. Look at that. Okay, nice and like thick. Okay, now.
If you really want to top it off.
Yep, we do want to top it off. Give me some of that cream, baby.
And it's that easy. You just made your own hot chocolate from scratch.
I'm so proud of myself. This is amazing. Now, the only thing left to do is to give it the old taste test. Oh, you're just going to go right through right to the ladle.
No, you're doing the taste test.
Okay, I'm going to do
Okay.
the taste test. I'm sure it's going to be a little bit hot right now, but you can see that is amazing. Now, I remember this on the cruise being the best hot chocolate on the face of the planet. So here we go. It was definitely hot. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys, that is fantastic. I love the little bit of cinnamon in there. It gives it just that extra little kick of just yum. And you know what it's gonna remind me of? If you know Gideon's Bakery, it kind of tastes like the smell of the Gideon's Bakery shop.
Oh,
So that kind of gives you an
that's
idea.
Like a yummy cookie.
That
cake.
is, oh my gosh, that's what this,
Something.
the taste of this reminds me of the Gideon's Bake Shop. So if you know Gideon's, you're gonna know what this incredible brew.
I think one of the
tastes like.
things that I loved about it is it's very, it's more French and European, so more like sipping chocolate rather than watery.
Okay, so one thing that's so awesome about it, we're talking about the thickness of it. This is thick.
One of the things that I was convinced of on the ship was I thought for sure that they had used like a chocolate pudding packet because it is that thicker, like drinking, sipping chocolate. It's more European style rather than American.
Like chewing, like you can chew it. You can almost chew it because it's so thick, yeah.
And that's one of the things though that makes
Yeah.
it so good is because it's such a nice, smooth, rich chocolate.
And that it is super smooth. That is awesome. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. We love making it here. We enjoy every bit about it. So,
Make your own hot chocolate.
yep, cheers. Thank you guys for watching. We will see you on the next video.